Today we are reviewing the 80-volt PowerSmart electric lawnmower. So we're going to show you guys what you get in the box, and then we're going to test it out. Okay, let's show you the accessories. So this is the battery charger for the 80-volt battery. This is the 80-volt battery, which you have a battery level. It shows you your battery level right there. So we're going to charge that up. But as you can see, very big battery. You get a manual and a key, as well as your grass collector. So if you want to use the bag, you can use the bag. Let's go ahead and charge this up while we unbox the mower. When charging, you'll have your indicator light. Blinking is charged. Solid green should be complete. Red means it's too hot. Now we're going to let it charge. You'll be able to adjust the cutting level with this lever right here. On the top here you have your power button, battery display, as well as your throttle. You're going to find this piece. This piece is your support bar. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here. You're going to see this piece like right in here. So on both sides you're going to have two screws. You're going to take those screws out. You're then going to place this piece inside, and then you're going to put the screws back in, and that's going to be your support bar. Of course, you can chop with it. So you can chop the grass, or you can have it shoot out the side. By lifting this up, placing this piece inside here. Under here is the blade. So we can take a look at the blade and the system. Make sure all the bolts, everything are tight. You don't want anything loose. So just like this, place your bar inside there, push the plastic piece back over, and then put the screws back in. Just like that. So guys, this is what the mower looks like now that we are done and it's assembled. This 80-volt 21-inch cordless lawnmower by PowerSmart packs a powerful punch. It has a runtime up to 60 minutes on a single charge, which can cut over half an acre of grass, give or take the layout of the land. It delivers 2.5 times more power than a 40-volt lawnmower. It has a much lower noise level than a gas mower. Easy to assemble. It's a 3-in-1 mower which can do mulching, side discharge, and rear bag discharge. 5-position height from 1.18 inches up to 3 inches for all kinds of grass. Maintenance free, no gas, no emissions, no maintenance, push button start, less noise, strong as gas, and it gets the job done with ease. My friends, this part is very important for the mower. For the mower to work, you must install the safety key. So you must push the safety key down in the battery bag compartment, and that's just a safety feature. You know, if you have kids or, you know, anyone around, that's a safety feature. So make sure you install your key. All right, guys, with this mower, you have headlights. Press the headlight button. So if you want to mow at nighttime, no problem. That's pretty awesome. All right, guys, for starting it, you press the button first, press and hold the button in, then press the trigger. You can then let go of the button, and just like that, that's how you start. So press the power button first, then press the trigger. So keep holding that, press the trigger, let go of the power button once it's running. It's time to test out the monster versus some heavily grown weeds. So a couple things, you may have heard it or saw it shut off a couple times. So there's actually a safety feature when it gets too bottlenecked underneath. So let's say there's just too much grass clumped underneath at the blade, it will turn off to protect the motor. Also, I did notice a little thing here when you press the button and to turn the power on. If you accidentally lift up a little bit, so if you accidentally lift up, like as you're mowing, it goes up like that, it will turn off. So you want to keep your hand, I recommend, to the far left. So to the far left, and have a tight grip on it, and don't lift your hand up, because if you lift your hand up just even a little, you know, even just, you know, like a little bit, it will turn off. So just keep that in mind. But overall, I mean, to get a depth of how tall that was all like that tall, so extremely tall, and it as you can see, it just plowed through that. This is very impressive. Definitely high powered. We're gonna continue mowing and see what we think at the end, but so far I'm happy with it. It's got a couple kinks and quirks about it, you know, that could be upgraded. Like it's a little bulky as far as the handles and go and stuff, but it does its job. And at the end of the day, that's what you want. You want something that does the job and gets it done. And yeah, this was just proof that it got the job done.